When shortening the Nitro spreader chain, you will need to cut out 3 chain links, 2 vertical and 1 horizontal. You will need the following components to reconnect the chain: the connector link rod and the chain connector link tab. Attach the round bar to the chain, making sure the connector link is vertical and the plate is on the top side. The connector link must be vertical for it to pass around the sprocket. The plate has a tapered hole in it, and the larger hole side should be facing up for a better weld. Leave approximately 1/8 of an inch of the round bar above the plate for better welding as well. Weld the top plate to the round bar. The end result should look like this. For more information on this product or others, visit us at tubeline.ca.